The opinions and views expressed by guests on the Bold Stars podcast do not necessarily reflect the opinions and views of the show's hosts, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms on which the podcast is aired. Similarly, the opinions and views expressed by the hosts do not necessarily reflect those of their respective companies, workplaces, represented organizations, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms airing the podcast. Audience discretion is highly encouraged.
Girl, di ba? Kakalabanin mo pa ba siya? Pero sabi, ipamigay mo to. Girl, kakampanya ko yan. Sure ka ba dyan pa?
Ayaw mo ba? Di ba kinampanya mo naman yung last 2022?
Girl, talagang libang. Nakita mo, ito na, didikit mo sa cellphone mo. Girl, ganun siya.
Alam mo,
pero happy ako for him kasi yun yung kanyang motivation
Okay.
every morning. Sige, push. Oo.
Pero kung, pwede ba, ikaw nga, di ba? Di ba, in-endorse pa nga, tinaasa pa nga yung kamay?
Wala ako. Mag-yawa ako idamay dyan. Hoy!
Tigre!
Wala akong nalaman dyan. Kaya nga, sa politika, you have no permanent friends and no permanent
At
enemies.
sana, bumoto kayo ng tama.
One cosmos countless constellations. Here we spark braver questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars planting the universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.
Hey,
Kasi
hey,
magagalit si Danilo.
humans! We're here once again, orbiting fresh topics and landing on the ones that spark change. Welcome to our safe space. This is Eds, and we are the Bold Stars Podcast.
Hail, Starlings! My name is Donna, always ready to shake things up. Welcome to the Bold Stars Podcast. Parang pwede na talaga siyang i-produce.
Before we continue with the podcast, let's take a moment to acknowledge and thank our partners that make this show possible. We'll be right back shortly.
Freshly ground beans warming up my heart. Brewing starts now, the steam begins to rise. Sip it slow, let the magic mesmerize. Every drop, every taste, it's like a dream. Coffee, babe, you're my morning beam.
We are a home-based coffee shop. We offer espresso coffee, hot and iced lattes, non-coffee drinks, and overloaded sandwiches. You can find us at Lot 25K, Sandoval Avenue, San Miguel, Pasig City, Philippines. You can contact us at 0916-965-0105. Coffee Bam, your daily caffeine kick.
It's like a rhythm, a melody we meet. Pour it in.
Hindi pa yung tsunami, girl. Wave pa lang.
Grabe.
Iba. Tindi.
Sabi ko sa iyo nga, ano na talaga to?
Survival.
Pa-apocalypsis.
Oo, sis. Talagang, kung eto na to, let's do it.
Di ba?
Oo.
And kung ito man ay papalapit na sa katapusan, ang mahalaga is that we always feel like a winner every day. Ganyan. Kailangan lagi kang feeling mo big winner ka palagi. Parang,
Feeling mo, eto na
Diba?
yung arriba mo. Oo,
In-
isa-success mo na to.
exactly. And in a world that feels like we're in an edition of Big Brother, be the big
How
winner.
very timely. Oo.
Diba? Be the big
Push mo
winner.
na.
Category is Big Winner!
Redefining what success looks like.
Right now, what category are we on right now? What category?
Sabi mo, hello.
Nagbabalik tayo sa bahay ni Kuya for the big night. Sino ang big winner sa edition na ito?
Hello, Philippines!
Text 2366, girl.
Send 2366.
Nakakamiss yung Maisen. Ginagawa pa ba ngayon yun?
Parang hindi masyado na. Parang ngayon, meron pa rin yata. Meron pa rin
diba,
yata.
Iba yung intensity nun, girl. Yung papaload
Diba?
na sa buong barangay.
Totoo.
Oo.
Dati kasi
Diba?
honest pa yung mga tao. Ngayon,
Ngayon,
oh,
hindi natin sure.
paano, di ba? So, for this episode, we're going to be talking about being a big winner, ganyan. Kasi since I think this is second to our last episode before the finale, I think it's
Yeah.
important that we know na when we choose to defy gravity and to be limitless, we also choose to make ourselves winner. Because winning is our choice. We define we define what being a winner is. Diba? So,
The winner takes it all.
ayun nga.
Sabi ng ABBA, hindi nyo kaya.
Ayun nga. Kumanta na naman siya.
Naging musical. Kasi
She's
naumpisahan
back,
to sa
back,
jingle
back.
natin, girl.
Back it again. Okay.
Naumpisahan to ng jingle, girl, dahil ang daming nagmo-motorcade. Oh.
Something has changed within me. Ganon. Dapat. Now,
Oh.
our first question is chasing success actually make us unhappy or happy? Kapag naghahabol ka ng success, kapag meron kang gustong i-achieve, pag gusto mo sa imagine mo, sumakses ka eh. Step by the step pala. Would that make you happy or unhappy?
Aminin natin sa hindi. 'Di ba? Most often than not, the more that you're chasing success, the more that you're chasing another milestone, mas lalo kang nade-depress. Mas lalo
Oo.
kang parang
Totoo
kapag
naman.
nagapang. Hindi kasi
Totoo
'di ba,
naman.
yung nalulung ka na sa destination, pero yung journey hindi mo na na-enjoy. Yun.
Tama naman. Tama naman. And minsan, yung journey towards success, hindi siya straight line. Minsan may mga detour, minsan may mga stopover. And minsan, may mga tao o may mga individuals na they would settle sa stopover. And we can't blame them. We can't blame them.
Because you can redefine success.
Exactly. Totoo. Ang ganda. Iba ka dyan.
Kasi nga, pa-finale na tayo, girl. Pa-big winner na tayo, girl.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda na sinabi mo, no? Na
Kasi diba, we can.
may mga tao na ang definition ng success is from point A to point B. Pero pero along the way, some people would realize and have this aha moment na, uy, itong stopover na to, this is already a success for me. Diba?
Alam mo, ganyan ito, gusto ko babaran, di ba? Kasi, growing up, we've been sold to one-size-fits-all type of dream. Yun nga, the American dream, you have the perfect family, yung mga napapanood natin sa TV, napapanood natin sa movies, di ba? Parang that's the dream that we were sold to. But, right now, are we finally waking up from it? Like, from that dream of, this is what success looks like. You have a stable job. Dati nga akala ko, pag nagtatrabaho ako sa bangko, yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang trabaho. Like, until na naman, maganda pa rin siyang work. Pero I thought, parang kapag hindi ka doktor, hindi ka engineer, hindi ka taga-bangko,
Yeah.
parang, hindi ka na, you're not a winner. Oo. Yun yung dream that I was sold to growing up. Yan. Ikaw.
Let's talk about that. No?
Diba?
Let's talk about that.
Oo.
Babaran natin ng konti. When it comes to dreams, ganyan. Ano yung success mo before? Let's say when you were a kid, when you were in high school or in college, elementary, whatever. Ganyan. Ano yung success sa'yo na in-introduce sa'yo before ng
let you
mga
in.
tao? Go.
Dear Ate Charo, talaga tayo very ABS-CBN coded tayo for today's video. Kasi doon tayo pinalaki tayo ng telebisyon, aminin natin. So, ako, growing up, especially dun sa environment na kadalakihan ko, kung hindi ka seaman, hindi ka mayaman. Kung hindi ka rin nakapangasawa ng foreigner, hindi ka rin mayaman. May mga ganon. Parang it's either makakapag-aral ka or makakapag-asawa ka ng mayaman. That was success. Yun. Kasi not everyone in that area or that environment had the capacity and the privilege to study. Like, totoo naman talaga. So, it's either mag-abroad ka or mag-asawa ka ng taga-abroad or mag-asawa ka ng foreigner. Yun siya, sister. Pero ako, nung bata ako, ang gusto ko ay sana makapag-aral ako. Tapos lalo na pagpupunta kami ng bangko, parang, ang ganda nila tignan. Naka-aircon, naka-computer lang. Parang hindi kasi computer was only for specific establishments back in the 90s. It's not a household thing. So parang, ang ganda ng itsura. So, gaganda ng nails
Yan yung imagine
nila.
mo, no?
Yan, so imagine ko, success. Oo. Tapos susunduin ka ng asawa mo, tapos magde-date kayo. Ganon, ang mga fantasy.
Ganda. Ako sa
Ikaw?
imagine ko, sana hindi ako kunin ni Lord. Sana Sana yung journey in life, sana yung
Kanya
journey
kanya
in life,
imagine.
sana ang journey in life ko, heaven knows, sana, hindi, di ba? I mean, nung time na nung bata ako, tingin ko, yung success para sa akin is you can buy anything that you want. Kapag pupunta ka ng mall, hindi mo na tinitignan yung price.
Tinignan. Ay, galing. Very panganay ka dyan, sis.
Di ba? Na parang,
Ako, ang
ay,
fantasy ko na maging wife na parang mayroon akong mediocre job, tapos ano lang,
Oo.
susunod lang ako. Quit
pero
lang ako.
ngayon,
Ikaw gusto mo
parang-
yung shopping
Ganun
kaya
na.
grocery. Grocery ka, girl.
pero ang gusto ko na ngayon, yung pagaya nung sa'yo.
Trophy wife. Gusto mo na maging trophy wife. O, di ba? Please.
Ikaw ba ngayon, sa ngayon, ano ang
Gusto ko na lang din
na-imagine
maging
mo?
trophy wife.
Hindi na bago, hindi nagbago.
Oo, minsan gusto kong kausapin yung mga nakipaglaban para
Ang heaven knows.
magtrabaho yung babae. Parang mag-usap-usap tayo. Who decided this?
Oo, di ba? Oo,
Pero
di ba?
again, to point out na dati kasi talaga ang babae limited lang din ang option, 'di ba? Pero now kasi the success for a woman has changed throughout the years, especially in this generation. Kasi nga we have more access to education, to different types of jobs. Meron nga hindi ka magtrabaho, mag-YouTube ka lang, kikita ka na ng pera, mag-TikTok ka. There are many ways to improve your life, and that's why we had a new path to success rather than the template that we grew up into.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Yung success na yan, very tricky because nagbabago siya, feeling ko, every time. It's evolving. I mean, the definition of success these days are kind of evolving. There are some people who find it success to wake up in the morning because not everybody can. Some people find success na makabili ng shoes every month. Yung goal mo is to buy shoes every month. Ganyan. Yun ang success sa ibang mga tao. At meron naman mga ibang mga tao na success is really to travel and to live the life. Yung ganyan. I think when we are trying to redefine success, I think it's important that we know what success is for us. And
Yes.
if we see success under the lens of ourselves rather than others. Ganyan. Kasi most of the time, a lot of people would see success under the lens of other people. Na,
Totoo.
uy, kailangan at this
nakaka-depress
age.
lalo.
Diba? Kailangan at this age, may asawa ka na. Kailangan at this age, meron ka ng anak. Kailangan nakatatlo ka na. Ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos makikita mo yung mga pictures sa social media. People are getting married. People are having babies. People are, you know what I mean? Like, and sometimes we fit ourselves into other people's mold of success. Na which is nakakalungkot kasi we kind of like take for granted what we have right now.
And also, that's the reason why speaking of taking for granted, that's why sometimes the more we chase that path na akala mo kasi, pagka naging ganito ako, successful na ako. May ganun kasi, di ba? Kaya nakaka-frustrate siya. Like, akala mo hindi ka umuusad kasi pinipilit mo yung path of success na akala mo, yun lang ang way to success. Pero may step by the step kasi
pala.
yan.
Oo, 'di ba? At saka heaven knows sa journey life.
Kung para sa'yo.
Kung para sa'yo talaga. Now, kadalasan din talaga yung success na yan is iba-iba para sa mga tao, 'di ba? And sinabi ko nga kanina na if we look at success under other people's lens or other people's binoculars, yung success na tinatawag is, I'd say na parang we get stressed more kapag hindi natin na-meet yung success criteria ng ibang tao.
Totoo.
But we fail to realize na yung success criteria nila is actually hindi rin nila na-realize pa. Does that make sense?
Oo, totoo yan. Ang
Parang
ganda.
what I'm trying to say
Sige.
is a lot of people are imposing their criteria of success simply because even they themselves, it is impossible for them to reach it.
Kaya
what
nila
I'm trying-
pinapasa.
Kaya pinapasa. What I'm trying to say is, for example, for example, ang criteria ng success ng ibang tao is to be married. But honestly, it's not only to be married, ha? But to actually have a marriage that works.
Kasi hindi naman lahat na kinasal ay masaya.
So ang akala nila na ini-impose nila sa ibang tao na, uy, magpakasal ka na, mag-asawa ka na ngayon. Pag nag-asawa ka naman, pag pinressure mo yung sarili mo na parang, uy, mag-aasawa na ako, and then, let's say, nagawa mo. I mean, we found someone to settle down with. And then, in the end, may realize mo na, oops, hindi pala ito yung makakapagpasaya sa akin. Simply because, it is not actually the marriage that is the success criteria. But, to be married happily.
True. And to your point, naalala ko bigla doon sa marriage yung kay, eto sobrang fresh. Kasi pinanood ko yung vlog ni Bibi Gandang Hari with Ay de las Alas. Ito fresh na fresh na. Tandaan na natin to nung previous season. Na sabi ni Ay, the reason why her previous marriages failed, like, unang-una, ang ganda nito, yung unang-una niya kasi, napilitan lang din daw siya na magpakasal kasi nung time na yon ayaw daw ng nanay niya nang hindi siya kasal. So, kahit na ayaw niya pa magpakasal, literal na for the sake of makasal sila, nagpakasal siya. Kaya invalid yung marriage niya kasi naging bigamy kasi married pa pala, may iba pang kasal, valid na kasal yung ex-husband niya at that time. So, again, to your point, yung marriage, hindi puro kikinasal ka, yan na yan. It's not a be-all and end-all. And again, we were sold to that dream na, di ba, magtatapos ka ng pag-aaral, mag-aasawa ka, mag-aanak ka, and ano diba, they live happily ever after. We were sold to that fairy tale, di ba? But now, what I love about this generation, and especially, dahil empowered na nga ang generation din natin, in all fairness, kung meron mang advantage na meron na tayong social media, we have a better view of things. Like, na broaden na yung perspective ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo na pwedeng ikahon na, halimbawa, Vice Ganda. For example, Vice Ganda, hindi naman siya nakagraduate, pero would you say hindi siya successful? Hindi siya big winner kasi hindi siya nakagraduate? No, pero may ibang path for him, for her. Kasi nga, you can redefine what success looks like for you and what success feels like for you. Not just what's dictated.
Yes, I agree. Ang ganda.
On you.
Diba?
By
Ang
the
ganda niya.
society.
So now, just reminiscing the past, ganyan. Let's be nostalgic, ganyan. Is there a win in your life that nobody in your circle clapped for, but meant the
Kasi ka na
world to you?
mag-iyakan na tayo. Oo naman. Alam mo kung ano, hindi na tayo lalayo. Unang-una talaga, itong podcast. Kasi parang ito na yung ano ko talaga, second home. Hindi totoo. Like, ngayon sa adult life ko, for the past ilang taon na ang podcast. O, 2 years. Girl, magti 3 years na tayo.
3.
Girl, magti 3 years na tayo. So, for the past 3 years, di ba, may mga episodes tayo na tayong dalawa mismo ang witness ng success ng isa't isa. May mga episode tayo na it's just for the two of us. Meron tayong ganun. And, kasi hodang may manood, may makinig.
Yes.
Puno yung puso ko.
I
like, halimbawa, kanina yung episode, kanina parang, sumakses yung episode na yun kasi ang saya lang natin. Na parang, may mga bagay I cannot explain, I cannot impose to other people na, uy, ma-enjoy mo to, panoorin mo, la. Kasi nga, iba-iba tayo ng pinagdadaanan in life. So, for me, eto talaga si podcast, may mga specific episodes tayo na it's for us. Na, it doesn't matter ilan ng views, ilan ng listeners.
I agree.
I'm a winner.
I stopped counting na nga. Parang, I stopped counting. To be honest, ako gusto ko lang din sabihin, I think we are kind of like on the same page. I'd say that content creation is something that I can consider a win. And as long as we make content, I think I'm getting my wins. You know? And alam mo yun, dumating kasi tayo dun sa first year, I think it's a first year going second, na yung feeling mo na parang, oops, mag-i-rely ba natin yung content natin based doon sa viewership, sa listenership. I think we got past that. And yung content na ginagawa natin right now is just for ourselves. Yung ganyan, yung meron ka, alam mo yun, na meron kang mapapaking, halimbawa, end of the world na nga talaga, apocalypse na nga talaga,
Kinikilabutan ako, sister!
meron kang 100 plus episodes na pwede mong balikan. And to make you realize and to help you remember how beautiful life could be. And was. And is. Diba? Imaginein mo, we're in the world of The Walking Dead where eto na talaga, yung mga zombies na all over the place. Man yan. May mga walkers all around. Imagine kung naka-download sa'yo yung mga episode na to, you can listen to it. Diba? You can listen to it and like, oh, this was the world before. And mahuhukay pa yan ng mga mga archive pa yan, mahuhukay pa ng mga ng mga future
Totoo.
generation. Oh, there were these two people in 2000 something in the 21st century na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng content, ganyan. And they didn't give a shit whether someone's listening or not because they're doing this for themselves.
True.
And alam mo minsan,
Kaya,
ito lang, gusto ko lang tapusin na parang minsan parang nakikita ako na kapag nag-share ako halimbawa ng mga episodes natin and then you have so many friends in your list, ganyan, downsize na nga yun eh. Parang iilan na nga lang. Because you believe in them that they're gonna support you and you don't get any likes or you don't get any comments or kahit man lang mag-message it to congratulate you for doing this and that. Alam mo, sa tingin ko, ako I grew past that. Ngayon, I don't care anymore. Kasi hodang merong mag-like, kasi
Diba?
hodang
Yun
merong
talaga.
mag-comment, kasi hodang merong, I do not
Yun ang
care
ating
anymore.
takeaway kasi Hoda.
Hashtag kasi hoda. I do not care anymore. Because what matters to me is because I do this for myself and not for you. You know what I mean? Dati kasi I feel na parang I'm being consumed because of what we do. Because somehow na parang feeling mo na, meron kayo makikinig, meron kayong manunood.
Bigay ka ng bigay. Di ba may ganon?
Ngayon parang, this is for me. And it's not consuming anymore.
Actually, parang feeling ko nga mas na-water ko yung plants ko when I do this. Like, somehow, like, I think it's my way of giving back to myself as well. Na parang, para ko siyang, para ko siyang diary din. Parang ganyan. Na, ito lang yung pang public though. Pero yes, parang mas natatrack mo yung progress mo. And also, anong tawag mo rito? Nakakakilig lang talaga kasi parang, hindi ko naman din inisip na magiging at home ako, na parang magiging komportable ako, ganyan. Pero, if I were to look back, I'm so happy I get to do this. Yun talaga siya. Na
And I just
big
like,
winner!
Totoo. I just like to take this opportunity, no, na sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, na pakiramdam nyo na parang people don't see you, and people don't pay attention to the things that you do, to what you're passionate about. If you feel invisible to them, let them. As long as you're not invisible to yourself.
True. Kaya
Diba?
talaga, clap for yourself. Yun talaga. And alam mo,
masasabi mo na parang nag-matured ka na sa aspeto of appreciating yourself or taking care of yourself kapag you don't care anymore about the number of likes.
Totoo yan.
You don't care anymore about the number of views.
Alam mo what? Sundan ko lang. Alam mo kasi, you will get there when you learn to accept your season in life. Yung kapag ka talagang in-embrace mo na, ito yung season ko ngayon eh. So, you get to celebrate that. Yung ganyan, parang hindi kasi, it's a process. Parang hindi naman agad-agad matatagpo na, syempre may time na madadown ka. Pero, the more that you accept yourself, yung talent mo, self-awareness. Paulit-ulit ako sa self-awareness. Kasi totoo, parang you become more self-aware na you don't need to compare your journey to others. Parang, siya may ganitong viewership, may ganitong listenership. Siya yun. Pero nakakatuwa lang din na minsan akala mo walang nakikinig, pero alam mo ba, ito pala, hindi ko pa ito nakikwento. I think I wanna share it to you live. Alam mo ba, one time nag-live tayo. Tapos, parang diba, minsan yung wala manonood, lalala. Pero, there's a part of our conversation na alam mo, sabi nung isang, basta TikTok friend to, na sabi, hindi ko na siya mapangalanan kasi gusto nila ma-anonymous sila sa TikTok. Pero yun nga, sabi niya na, alam nyo, nakakatawa yung isa yung conversation kasi during that time, parang may pinagdadaanan siya. So parang, You will find your people. Yun naman din. If you just want to please other people, kung yun yung motivation mo, I think you are more prone to be depressed, to be defeated. But if you just want to water your own garden as well, yun, hindi mo alam kung saan bubunga siya. Kung kailan at saan siya bubunga. Ayun. Go.
Do you think social media has messed with our idea of what making it looks like?
Alam mo, to some degree, yes. Okay? Especially nung pandemic. Actually, alam mo, ang toxic ang toxic nung social media nung pandemic. Kasi bakit? Minsan ganito ha, 'di ba syempre lahat tayo ano tawag mo diyan, naka-quarantine, 'di ba? Oo. So, lalo tuloy nagkakakitaan ng bahay kasi wala tayong ibang magawa, wala tayong ibang mai-content kung di yung bahay. So, lalong may iba na trigger, lalo yung inggit, yung iba parang mas nakumpara mo yung buhay mo sa buhay ng ibang tao, parang yung iba, si pinopost pa yung ganyan, ang insensitive naman, lalalala. Pero, at the same time, gets naman. Pero at the same time, hanggang kailan ko ba i-control yung kasiyahan ko para ma-please lang din kita? Kung yun that's what gets her through the day na i-post yung pagkain. Kung yun yung feeling #bless niya, give mo na, 'di ba? Pero gets ko naman kasi nga yung iba struggling. Pero kaya siya, nakaka-depress talaga pag bumabad ka ng social media, ng Facebook, yung kumparahan ang buhay. Talaga namang you would feel like a loser na you forget to count your blessings. Kasi kakakumpara mo sa ulam nung kapitbahay, sa kotse nung kapitbahay, or, 'di ba? Parang dati kasi walang social media, hindi mo alam ano nangyayari sa loob ng bahay. Ngayon kasi kakain na lang, napopost pa, 'di ba? Everything you see in the social media.
Ako dalawang anggulo na nakikita ko dyan. Una is, meron talagang halong inggit talaga kung wala ka at meron sila. And I think, ito unpopular opinion, I think somehow, that feeling is valid. Na parang meron ka, sana meron din akong ganyan. 'Di ba? Sana meron din akong ganito. Gets mo? Kasi, it's human nature to
It
to
is.
desire, the things that you want or what you need, ganyan. What other people have and you don't, ganyan. I think it's normal.
Kasama talaga siya, human nature talaga, because it triggers your desire to grow. Yun naman siya. If you use that envy to move forward, yung to inspire, hindi yung to scheme or to plot negativity, 'di ba?
Correct.
Iba 'yon. Depende na lang kung anong gagawin mo doon sa inggit na nararamdaman mo.
To dream nga.
Yes.
To dream nga. Sa imagine mo,
mag-dream ka.
dream nga. 'Yon. Pero ito, medyo iilalim ako. Ito ba yung dream masakit? Hindi lang sa jealousy, hindi lang yung sana may ganito din ako, hindi lang doon. Kung hindi parang when you see someone or when you see others have something that you want, and they don't treat it better or they don't treat it well.
Isa din yan. Iba din yan.
Ang
Para
sakit
kung ako
is
yung may
kung
ganyan,
ako yung
di
may
ba?
ganyan.
Oo.
You know what I'm feeling?
Yun.
Guys,
Yes.
meron ba kayong minsan ba dumarating kayo sa puntong ganyan na meron ng ibang tao na sobrang gustong-gusto mong magkaroon pero wala kang ganyan at sa isip mo, sa imagine mo, sa dream mo na sana kung may ganyan ako.
Sa
I could
pera,
do
halimbawa,
better.
kung ako may ganyang pera, ganito gagawin ko, lalalala. Yun ang katotohanan, di ba? Pero again, halimbawa kami, kung ako may ganito, lalalala. Pero you use that not to be resentful.
Hindi, ako feeling ko minsan nagre-resent ako.
May
May ganun talaga.
Iba ka na. Iba na yung resentment, girl.
Kaya
Talaga,
nga, alis
kailangan-
ako dun eh. Kaya nga, alis ako sa ganung place kasi it's a dark place to be. Kasi di ba,
Parang pa-victim mindset ka naman, girl.
Di ba?
Oo. Hindi ka big winner sa part na yan.
di ba? At ito, kunyari, ganito. Para sa mga single dyan, halimbawa, may makikita kayo na couple, ganyan. Basta basta hindi pa married ha. May makita kayong couple ganyan. Tapos nakita mo na parang, the other person is not treating the other better and well. And para sa isip mo na parang, kung may ganyan lang ako, I could treat that person better, ganyan. O hindi itinan mo yung partner mo, gusto kong ipagluto. Itinan mo yung partner mo, gusto niya ipagluto mo siya, pero hindi mo magawa kasi di ka marunong magluto. If I was you, if I was there in your place, every day would be a buffet.
Ramdam namin sis ang resentment talaga.
Nakita mo yung resentment? Diba? Nag-andaman mo?
Oo.
Na
Kasi
parang-
ganito, di ba? Minsan ka magtataka parang, ha? Halimbawa, as chismosa sa mga celebrity, parang, ha? Kung ganun jowa ko, di, parang pagpapalit ko ba?
Yun!
Di ba? May
Yun!
ganun. Oo.
Di ba? May ganon.
Ganun
Ay,
eh.
nako, sinasabi ko
Ako,
sa'yo.
More on pera talaga.
At, pero, yung isang angle naman, yun yung angle A. Yung angle B naman is, when you already have enough and you still want more. Diba? Yun yung, hindi,
Kasi
para sa akin,
we
hindi
fail to count our
acceptable.
blessings kasi
Hindi
talaga.
acceptable, hindi comprehensible. And I don't know why. And you have any idea like why people act this way? Like when they
Minsan
already
kasi
have enough, they
talaga-
want more.
I think, minsan talaga yung parang we just don't count our blessings. Yun talaga. Kasi parang iniisip mo na, paano ba? Parang gano'n yung parang, hindi, meron kasing aspeto na kailangan kontento ka, meron ding aspeto na kailangan mo pa mag-progress, like, sumakses ka pa, like, todong-todo pa, ganyan. So, depende kasi what is enough for you. Yun. Akin. Pero,
Eto.
minsan talagang,
Masusundot ko lang
mindfulness
talaga.
din. Sige lang, sundin mo lang, girl.
Maisusundot ko lang talaga. Ito ha. For example, this is just an unpopular opinion of mine, very subjective disclaimer. You don't have to believe this as fact. Okay? Ito sariling pakiramdam ko lang naman. You know, these days nauuso yung mga open relationship and polyamory and polyamorous relationship na
I'm
parang
listening.
3 sila, 4 sila, ganyan, na parang odd number sila, ganyan, 3 sila, ganyan, na parang they're in a relationship, 3 sila. And naisip ko na parang, hindi ba, para sa akin, parang it's kind of greedy in a sense.
Alam mo, hindi ko mag-gets talaga yung konsepto, eh.
I
Kaya
don't
nga makapag-comment.
get
Hindi ko
it.
makuha yung konsepto.
Kaya nga, I just wanted to like, put it out there,
This
na
is an
parang,
open,
I do not understand the reasoning or the rationale behind polyamorous relationship kasi, and I'm not saying na parang na parang ako personally I don't see myself in one, pero ito lang yung parang I contemplate on the rationale about polyamorous relationship na parang kasi 'di ba usually parang sa monogamy dalawa lang kayo, 'di ba, na parang you're each other's person, tapos bakit kailangan ng odd number? Kung yung odd number na to
Diba?
pwede namang mapunta sa another person
Kaya
na
nga eh.
kaya ang dating tuloy parang I think it's kind of like greedy na parang bakit nasa inyo na lang lahat? So paano pala kung yung nakatadhana para sa akin is nandyan sa iyo, nandyan sa inyo?
Hirap no? Kaya nga eh.
Yan lang.
At saka parang hindi mo ba makukumpara? Parang hindi ko sure. Hindi ko talaga makuha
Oo.
yung konsepto.
Success ba yun?
Sana
na
may
ang dami mong
mag-guest
partner?
tayo.
Success ba yun na ang dami mong partner?
Depende
I'm like-
sa preference.
Success ba yun na ang dami mong partner tapos yung iba wala?
Hindi ko na problema yung ibang tao.
Ay!
Hindi mo kaya.
Napaka-selfish mo. Napaka-selfish mo.
Diba? Kaya, alam mo, sana, ganito na lang, sana may mag-guest tayo na nasa open relationship para maintindihan natin.
Yeah,
Pwede.
because hindi ko naiintindihan eh. Maybe I'm talking this way because I don't understand.
Email nyo po kami. Oo.
Pero para sa iyo, ano yung personal version mo ng success na that you have in mind right now?
Ay, shucks. Ang hirap. Okay, so, sa stage na to ng buhay ko talaga, feeling ko naman sumakses na ako. Like, if I were to compare,
Oo.
Kaya
Last
lagi
10
ako
years.
bumabalik for the last 10 years, kaya ako laging bumabalik sa sa inner child. Kasi parang, ang galing mong bata ka, talagang I couldn't be any prouder. Now, if I were to define what success looks like, kung successful na ba ako ngayon or what success looks like for me, I learned this idea of reverse engineering. Parang, ano ba success? Ano bang gusto ko? Ba for the start of this year? Paano bang gusto ko? Alam mo, pumunta naman ako kay Future Donna. Kasi nandito na tayo sa midlife, natin.
Yeah.
Yeah, midlife season. So, 10 years from now, 2035. So, 2035, what kind of life do I want by then? Yun yung inisip ko. So, hopefully, 'di ba? Ang success for me at that time siguro siguro may business na ako. Yun na yung next sigurong success
Nice.
for me. Oo, yung hindi may multiple streams of income ka na. Yun, yung hindi ka lang empleyado, yung ganyan. Yun na yung sa akin. Oo. Yun, so far, yun yung simple dream ko. Doesn't matter how big or small yung business, pero yun nga, may other stream of income ka siguro. Yun yung akin. If I were to look for 10 years from now. Yun. Ikaw, what success is for you?
Success for me is to finally, ito na naman, ilang season na to.
Every episode.
Lagi na lang itong pinatanong. Ang success
Hindi,
talaga
ganun
para sa
talaga.
akin is to find that permanent home. On earth, ha?
Hindi yung eternal home.
Hindi yung heaven knows.
Hindi yung eternal home. Yun
Hindi
nandito sa
yun.
lupa.
Oo, kasi nga ang prayer ko, sana wag akong kunin ni Lord. Ganun. 'Di ba?
Ayaw mo pa mamit si Jesus.
Oo, sana hindi ko pa mamit mo na. 'Di ba? Yung dito sa yung gusto ko lang makanasan yung yung what normal people experience, because for people like us, hindi siya ganun ka dali. 'Di ba? Gusto ko
Kasi
lang
iba-iba ng
makanasan yung gawin
path.
normal. Ganyan.
Diba?
Gusto ko lang yung kind of normal.
Pero feeling ko ang lapit mo na. Parang feeling ko papunta ka na
Sana.
dun.
Sana, fingers crossed. Pero ikaw ba, gusto ko lang ding malaman if anong mas madali para sa'yo, to clap or to celebrate other people's win, or to clap and celebrate your own win? Ano mas madali sa'yo? At ano mas mahirap?
Alam mo yung mas madali for me to clap for myself. Oh, revelation. Oo. Hindi dahil not because I don't want to celebrate other people's success, ha, pero kasi you cannot give what you don't have. 'Di ba? Hindi ka pwede magpautang pag wala kang sarili mong pera. Pero again, how are you gonna be happy for other people if you yourself, you're not happy for your own success? You're not
Tama.
happy inside. 'Di ba?
I agree.
Kaya kasi totoo kung ano yung nasa loob mo, yun yung lumalabas. 'Di ba? Parang bakit may mga tao na just cannot be happy for you? Kasi hindi sila happy on their own.
Kaya tinan nyo, kaya pag hindi kayo nagla-like sa mga post namin, hindi kayo happy. 'Di ba? Kasi kung talagang happy kayo para sa amin, parang okay, wow, yung friend ko
Diba?
talagang naka season
Success!
8 na sila, 'di ba? Talagang naka 100 plus episodes na sila within 3 years. Wow, they really are friends. Talagang we will like, follow, subscribe, 'di ba? Pero kung hindi naman,
Diba?
baka naiinggit lang ho kayo. Baka kasi gusto nyo rin ng ganito, but you just can't do it, and you just can't be us. So
may
you can't
ganong-
sit next to us.
Sorry. Charit. Pero hindi. Ito din kasi, di ba? So, yun yung point number 1. Point number 2 is, minsan kasi, ito rin yung realization ko dahil 3 years na tayo sa content creation. Tapos lalo na nung nagla-live na, no? I have this new found appreciation. Like, I appreciate people who are doing content creation more. Kasi, I know the struggle now kumpara noon. So, who are the people who's clapping for us? Are the
Yes.
people who's doing the same thing.
We see
Kasi
you.
nga, diba?
We see the
Yun
people.
yun.
Diba?
Diba?
And kung
Yun
hindi
yun.
nyo man kaya na magpakita ng online support, I mean, we're just a message away. And like, hey, ganyan, we saw this episode, ganyan, okay na yun parang just kagaya, again, babalik na naman ako sa kung paanong relationship namin ni Donna before. So within 10 years that we're apart, at least a year, you get to paramdam na, uy,
Merry
dito pa ako.
Christmas!
Uy,
Oo.
dito pa ako
Kamusta ka dyan? Oo. May
Doesn't have to be
ganon.
every day. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na parang, uy, like mo lahat ng post ko. Not that. I mean, paramdam ka lang na, hey, dito pa ako.
Pero yun nga, kasi nga you cannot give what you don't have. At the same time, for example, ako rin personally, minsan may time na down ka. So, wala ka lang din bandwidth to clamor for other people. May ganun din. Kaya,
Totoo.
I get it. Kaya, alam mo, mas madali for me to clap for myself.
Tama.
Yun.
Pero naiintindihan ko din naman sila. Kasi halimbawa guys, hindi kayo makapag-celebrate for us, then probably you're also having a hard time celebrating yourself.
Yes.
So,
may pinagdadaanan.
Diba? Pero kung ilang taon na, ilang season na, season 8 na,
Lagi may
100 plus
pinagdadaanan.
episode na, so lahat yung pinagdadaanan, never man lang. Dumaan to sa feed mo, never mo nakita. Resentment,
Hoy!
resentment to. I'm echoing resentment right now. Then, joke lang. Pero I mean, naiintindihan ko na. Kaya sabi ko nga, before na-hurt ako, ngayon hindi na masyado. Or ba, hindi na at all.
So, dahil nandiyan na nga tayo sa mga resentment. And we're trying to redefine success. So, for you right now, what does being a big winner actually means?
Ngayon ha, this present
Sa
ha, hindi yung
season.
hindi
This
yung in the
2025.
future in life.
Hindi
Hindi sa imagine. Hindi sa dream.
Imagine. For the present timeline.
Present time sa akin, I think I consider myself as a big winner right now. Kasi somehow, meron kang nadudukot. Yun
At
na.
nakakatulong pa nga sa iba. Oh.
Hindi, meron kang nadudukot yung hindi nakagaya ng dati na parang nasa struggle.
Hindi mo alam.
Yung hindi mo alam.
Saan ko
Di ba? I mean, kahit na paano meron ka nadudukot. Yun lang. Yung hindi ka yung parang saan ko ba kukunin
Hikahos na
yung
hikahos.
pang-ulam? Saan ko ba kukunin yung pang ganito? Ganyan. Yung may nadudukot ka lang. For me, that's already my redefinition ng pagiging big winner. Big winner
Yung
na ako
hindi
nun.
mo kailangan na you have everything.
Yes.
Unlike nung sinasabi
Yes.
noon na, kailangan may ganito ka, may ganito, parang material na bagay lahat.
Ngayon
na
ha,
parang,
yung ngayon na meron ako. Yung that's already is a big winner for me. And yung gigising ka ng healthy. Yung wala kang nakaramdaman.
Totoo.
Yun na yung big
Ganda
winner
din.
sa akin. Kumbaga
Ay, grabe.
kumbaga sa big night, kung bibigyan mo ako
Yes.
ngayon, kung bibigyan mo ako ng price na ganyan, I'd rather choose that. Like waking up and being
Health.
healthy in the morning, being alive, being able to breathe, and
Ay, totoo, girl.
may madudukot ka at hindi ka maghahagilap kung saan ka kukuha ng pangkain. Big winner yun sa akin.
Ganda. Tsaka I think it's a very good reminder to really take care of our health and cherish yung physical body. Totoo, alam mo, feeling ko kasi sa edad natin, halimbawa sa mga bata pa rin naman tayo, sa mga bata na, kumbaga, wala pang maintenance, palagay mo, I think we tend to overlook yung vigor na meron tayo. Like, as 20s, 30s, kahit nga 40s diba? Minsan overlook natin kasi may mga kakalala ko na in their 50s, may mga nararamdaman na talaga, may aches and pains na here and there. Pero ang ganda rin yung sinabi, naalala ko lang si Robert Greene. Sabi niya dun sa guesting niya kay Stephen Bartlett, Diary of a CEO, na whenever I look at my window at may nakikita ako nagbabike, nagsiswimming, sobrang naiinggit daw siya kasi he used to do that every single day but he had a stroke. So, it's challenging for him even to walk. So, parang little things, especially with health, na you really need to value it. And that's success for him. And so, sa dami ng, he's known, but if there's something na, yung, kumbaga, would make him a big winner, na parang yon yung if he could have that strength again. So, ganda lang, na gusto ko lang din i-highlight na,
Yeah, strength,
don't
no?
take
Physical
for
strength,
granted yung physical strength. Totoo. Kasi you're not gonna be this strong and this fit forever. True.
Yeah. Ikaw ba, anong masabi mo ngayon na masabi mo, hey, big winner ka?
Alam mo, talaga, sa totoo lang, I won't need much. Ang saya-saya ko lang na big winner ako kasi I have independence. Yun talaga. Nagkakentuhan kami ni Jeremiah kanina, sabi ko, alam mo, parang bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na maging independent. Kaya nga gusto ko magtrabaho na maaga. Tapos ngayon na, kumbaga, ngayon, kung ayaw ko maghugas ng plato ngayon, okay lang. Iwanan ko yung plato ko dyan. Malaya ako. Parang, I have the freedom to choose na anong gusto kong ulam, anong gusto kong pagtunganga. Yun ang big winner for me that I have this independence now. Like this freedom na may sarili kang space. Yun. For someone na alam mo yun, yung, kung ikukumpara ko yung buhay ko now, dun sa Valenzuela, girl. Like, I will always be grateful, but at the same time, that's gonna be the benchmark for me na, I have arrived. Yung, girl,
Yes, diba?
I don't want to underscore that na parang,
Yes.
hindi yung, alam mo yung,
Oo.
gusto mong i-downplay. No, that will always be the highlight of my life
Tama.
na nakaalis ako doon.
I agree.
Napaiyak ako.
Diba? I agree, diba?
Kasi diba,
Totoo.
where your success, na in the sense na, be proud na kung ano naman yung nalayo na narating mo. Yung malayo pa, pero malayo na. Yun talaga. Nakakaiyak. Big winner.
And,
Ayun.
and time is up. Please feel free to re-listen or check out our previous episodes on any platform that you're listening to. We're sure you'll find a perfect company for any time of the day because good conversations never go stale.
O, di ba? Patapos na lang. Nagkaiyakan pa, mga ate ko. Kasi di ba, sa mga kababata ko, makarelate sila, girl. Yun lang. Ganun lang. Ano, mag-gap ka na ba, Deng?
Meron ka pa, magtrabaho ka pa, Mi. We value your opinions.
Ay, maybe pala!
Hindi pwedeng emosyon lang na emosyon. Content creation to, Mi.
Huwag mo ikato, isama mo to, yung may pagdag-antayan. Teka lang. And so we value your opinion on our podcast topics and we love to feature your insights in our upcoming episode. You can leave a comment on our social media posts, participate on our polls and Q&A on Spotify or here on YouTube, or send us a message at theboldsource@gmail.com.
Right now. What category are we on right now? What category?
Diba? Ganda nun. Diba may
Diba?
ganun tayo?
So ako din talaga pahabol lang no before ako mag-outro. Yung success din sa akin is yung makatapos ka ng season. And dahil nga next week is our season finale. Ganyan. So parang, hey, yay! Nakatapos na
Close
season.
chapter.
Season 9 na. Aba, palapit na tayo ng 10. Oh my gosh, another milestone. But shout
Girl.
out.
Shonda, makabahal ka na talaga.
Diba? Pinahabol ka na namin, Shonda Rhimes, diba? Shout out. Ganyan, diba? We're celebrating our own success, diba? Oh.
Ang mga delulu.
Bakit?
Oo.
Ay, hindi delusion yan. That is manifesting. That is foreshadowing what success will be. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nag-birthday. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nakikinig at nakikibarda sa amin sa aming mga episodes every week. Ganyan.
Yes.
And also, I think last time that I checked, meron tayong mga bagong listeners. I think one was
Alam mo,
from
sipag mo talaga.
from ano yata, teka lang ha. Gusto ko lang talaga, i-pull up ko lang, Mia, wait lang ha. Kasi ang tagal na yan eh. Gusto ko na talaga itong
Laban.
Diba? Wait lang.
I'm through accepting limits.
Diba?
Cause someone says they're so... Ang saya ko, nakakakanta na ako ulit. Girl,
Ay.
talagang ilang...
Ayan. Gusto lang,
Small means.
okay, gusto lang, we would just like to thank our new listeners from Brunei, from Belgium, from
Yes!
United Arab Emirates, from Croatia. Ayan.
Oh my God, nakakakilig. Sino yung from Croatia? I'm
Parang gusto ko tuloy pumunta ng Croatia. Parang
Hoy, malapit ka na.
Parang ang ganda ng Croatia. Parang
Oh my
wow.
God, I'm kilig. Thank you, guys.
Sa
We're
imagine
so
ko,
kilig.
parang yung dream nga, yung Croatia. Now, don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button on our socials and communities to keep tabs on all the fresh updates when it happens, as it happens. Check us out on X at The Bold Stars and on TikTok. Instagram at The Bold Stars and on Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast. And dahil hindi ko siya ma-scroll down, you won't want to skip on all the contents we've got lined up every Monday. Follow us today.
And of course, we're braving the brave new world of live streaming. Follow us on TikTok and join us on our live sessions for the bigger, brighter, and bolder edition of What's the Fuzz Live. To stay updated about What's the Fuzz Live, simply click the follow or subscribe button on our social media accounts. You can catch the Bold Source podcast on a bunch of podcast apps and radio platforms, including Spotify, Podcasters for Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, iTunes, YouTube, and many more.
And to our friends and families, old and new, thank you for keeping us company. And as always, no goodbyes, just brand new hellos. Tune in again next time for a new episode. That would be our finale for season 8.
Yes, and here's for more raver questions and bolder conversations. May all your stars align in your favor. This is the Bold,
Stars Podcast, Season 8.
Hindi nyo kaya.
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark brave questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars planting the universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.